Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS structures, in which we are discussing ASL, that is access stairs and ladders. In access stairs and ladders, first thing which we are going to learn is to create a platform. Okay, so the basic flow of ASL is first you create a platform, then you create a handrail, and then handrail which is for safety, and then you add stairs or ladders depending upon what kind of access system you want. So first we will try to learn how to create a platform. For that you need to have a zone in which there is a structure. In structure, I have already created structure SL1, and then in that you will create a framework and you will save that framework as say platform, maybe platform underscore one, and in that framework I will try to create a platform. Okay, so then I will select that framework. You can go to create and go to platform. Okay, this is the one option. The second option which you have is in ASL toolbar, there is an option of creating a platform. Okay, so I will just click on this. A create platform toolbar will open and you will get most of the options in this only. Okay, so if I go to back to menu task, you can see I can create a platform, I can modify a platform, and I can delete a platform. Okay, so unless and until I create something, these modify options will not be activated. Okay, so I will go to platform. Then you can set a name for platform. Let's say PLF underscore one, that is my name. You can add a description, then area. Okay, and then there is important option that is called thickness. Okay, so thickness, let's say I'm going for 200 for now. Primary direction is not, that is fine. And then for the position, it will ask for the location of a platform, height on which you want to place a platform. So if you know the coordinates, you can always go with the coordinates. If you don't know the coordinate, you can go with the cursor option. Okay, I will just click on the cursor option, zoom in here, and I will just select this top corner, and you can see east 10,000 and up 7,500. That is the location of my selected point that is getting selected. Okay, so on that location the platform will be created at that height. Okay, let's see how it will be created, and then we will try to change that. Then you can go to the second step, that is define platform geometry. Okay, so if I go to define platform geometry, first option which you get is shape of your platform. So there are some standard shapes which are available: rectangle, L shape, circle, freeform, and polygon. You can just go to different things and check what kind of inputs you need to do. So for L shape you need to give length and total dimension, and then length and width of each arm of the L. Okay, so mirror x mirror y will give you the same x and y direction. So we are not going into detail as of now. We will just go to the simple rectangle, and that will give you width and height. Width and length. So for length, I will be going say 10,000, and for width, I am going with say 5,000 maybe. Yeah. So I am basically trying to create a platform on top of this structure. Okay, now if you check, this 10,000 is coming with the center option, and 5,000 is also coming in center option. So basically my origin at the center of that platform, and dimensions are going in all the four directions equally. Okay, so we don't want that, so there is a origin option, origin point option. So what it will do is, if you see in preview, there is a red dot which is at the center. Right now my origin at this, and what I want to do is I want to move it to the first corner, the top corner, so that my platform will be perfectly on that structure. So you can just check, I am changing the origin at the first point, and you can see platform is getting perfectly aligned with my structure. Okay, let us check the others also, that is the second, third and fourth. So this is basically going into different quadrants for the CAD systems which we basically follow. So from one point I can create 5 platforms in which you have to select what kind of reference you want to take for origin. So I am selecting this point 1 as of now for origin. You can also go with the pick corner points, and you can just pick the corner points if you don't know the location. We will check that later. And I will just say define platform boundary. Once the platform boundary is defined, then you can see everything. And let's say create a platform. If I say create a platform will be created. The only problem is my platform is getting merged into the structure, and I don't want that. That will create clashes. So what I will do is I will select this platform and go to modify platform definition. Okay, and I will just try to move it by 200, which is the thickness. So by default it is 7500. I am just moving it to 7700 so that my platform will be perfectly on the top. Okay, accept changes and back to platform task. So this is how you can create a platform. If you want to delete this, just select it. You can go to platform, delete options and platform. You can delete a platform. If you want to change the geometry, I can go to platform geometry and I can just change the X and Y length. Okay. So those things can be done. I will go to main platform task. You want to change platform layout, you can also go to change platform layout and change the plate thickness and everything. Okay, so those are the options which are available. We will check that layout option later. Okay, and once you create a platform, there is a option of platform opening and handrail for the current platform. We are going to see these two things in the coming videos. Okay, first we will go for the negative extrusions which we can create in a platform, and then we will go for handrails for current platform. Okay, so let us meet in next video for those content. uh, right now, if you like this content, do subscribe my channel, follow my channel for the latest content, share a word about channel with your friends, those who are interested to learn in AVEVA PDMS. Okay, thank you for joining, friends.